You might think you're patient, but can you wait a decade for success? Can you wait 2 decades for success? Can you wait a year for success? Most people, they fail on this avenue, and the successful people, especially the people who you look up to, the successful people in the world, be it entrepreneurs, be it business people, be it politicians, or any person who is having success in any field, even rappers, celebrities, all these people, they have this one thing in common: they are all patient people. Let's look into one example. Rick Ross, the famous rapper right now, he persevered for 10 years in rapping. He was doing some part-time jobs, some jobs, and he used to do his rap career and didn't receive one paycheck for 10 years. After 10 years was the first time he received any money for his talent. That's how patient these people are. John Paul DeJoria, the billionaire who was broke multiple times, I've created a video of that. You will see that. You can go and see that if you want story in detail. He also had this problem. He was living in his car trying to sell the shampoo, Paul Mitchell. So that is how difficult it was for him. And even through that, even through those difficult times when most people would have given up, these people are still patient. The difference between a successful person and a person who doesn't have success is very simple. The successful person has perseverance and patience, which go hand in hand. So why does patience work? Patience gives you the big picture. If you have patience, you will have a much more wider view of the scenario, and you will be able to think about it. You will be able to see the big picture, and that helps you a lot. Patience helps you sort out dilemmas. So when you are in a dilemma, do you want to go this way or that way in your life? Maybe it might be in your business. Patience will give you that time to look at it and understand what you have to do. Patience also attracts the right people. So if you are patient, the people who you will encounter, people prefer patient people. They don't prefer people who are just all over the place, working on one thing today and working on another thing tomorrow and never completing anything. People don't like people like that, and people prefer to deal with people with patience. Most of the self-made billionaires that you know, they all have this one character. This is the one trait that you can develop, and it's not something that is God gifted. You can develop this. Patience and perseverance is the key for their success, and that is something that makes them unique. That is what makes them successful. So try to develop this. Patience and perseverance is the thing that is going to make you successful. So I just want to share that with you. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, whatever, leave them in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. This has been Jays for Top PVT. I'll see you in the next video.